In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Laravel on Hostinger, step by step. If you're hosting your website on Hostinger and you want to run a Laravel application, this guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Laravel is one of the most popular PHP frameworks for building modern web applications, and once it's installed properly on your hosting, you can start building powerful websites, APIs, and full web apps. The process might look technical at first, but don't worry, I'll break everything down so you can follow along even if this is your first time working with Laravel or SSH. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more web development and hosting tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first step is to log in to your Hostinger dashboard. Open your browser and go to hpanel.hostinger.com and sign in using your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Websites section. Here, you'll see the list of websites connected to your hosting plan. Find the website where you want to install Laravel and click on Dashboard next to it. This will open the management panel for that specific website, where you can control files, domains, databases, and advanced settings. Next, we need to enable SSH Access, because Laravel will be installed using Composer through the command line. Inside your website dashboard, scroll down until you find the Advanced section. Under Advanced, click on SSH Access. If SSH is disabled, simply enable it. Hostinger will display your SSH credentials, including the host, username, and port number. Keep this information ready because you'll use it to connect to your server using an SSH client, like Terminal on Mac or Linux, or PuTTY if you're using Windows. Now, open your Terminal or SSH client and connect to your Hostinger server using the credentials provided in the SSH Access section. After connecting successfully, you'll be inside your hosting environment, where you can run commands directly on the server. The next thing you want to do is navigate to the public_HTML directory, because this is the main directory where your website files are stored. You can do that by typing the command cd public_HTML and pressing enter. Once you're inside this folder, you're ready to install Laravel. Now, we're going to install Laravel using Composer. Hostinger already supports Composer on most plans, which makes this process much easier. In the terminal, run the following command: Composer create project Laravel/Laravel project name. Replace project name with the name you want for your Laravel project. After running this command, Composer will automatically download Laravel and all of its dependencies and install everything inside a new folder. This process might take a minute or two depending on your server speed, so just wait until the installation finishes completely. Once the installation is finished, you'll see a new folder containing your Laravel project. Inside that folder, there is a directory called Public, and this folder contains the index.php file that should be accessible from the web. In many shared hosting environments like Hostinger, the public_HTML directory is the web root, so sometimes you may need to move the contents of the Laravel public folder into public_HTML. If you do this, make sure you also update the paths inside the index.php file so it correctly points to the Laravel core files inside your project directory. After that, the next important step is configuring your environment file. Inside your Laravel project, you'll find a file called .env. This file stores important configuration settings for your application. Open the .env file and update the database configuration so Laravel can connect to your Hostinger database. Go back to your Hostinger dashboard, create a MySQL database if you haven't already, and copy the database name, username, and password into the .env file. Save the file once the database details are updated. At this point, Laravel is successfully installed on your Hostinger hosting account. If everything is configured correctly, you should now be able to visit your domain in a browser and see the default Laravel welcome page. From here, you can start building your application, creating routes, controllers, migrations, and everything else Laravel offers. And that's it. That's how to install Laravel on Hostinger step by step. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on Laravel, web development, and hosting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.